all of you on my YouTube channel once again. So friends, what if I tell you to solve these three questions in just 10 seconds? Yes friends, you heard it right, first, second and third. These three questions in just 10 seconds you heard. Then what will you do? These are the questions of integration, the two questions of partial fraction. It would take at least 4 to 5 minutes when you solve according to the methods which you studied in class 12th NCERT. But here I have come up with a short trick which you can solve with just 10 seconds. So stay tuned for the tricks till the end. So friends, I have started a new series #shortcut in which I will be covering the shortcut tricks which are used in the mathematics chapter, which are asked in the various government examinations like JEE, NDA, Air Force, Navy, CET and many more examinations. So to moving over to the tricks here, if questions are coming in the partial fraction format, then only you can apply this trick which I have told. For partial fraction, how we can know that question is in the partial fraction? Partial fraction, the denominator cannot be factorized further, see, because here already it is factorized. See, x minus 1 into x plus 2 minus into x minus 3. So here it is already factorized, it cannot be factorized further. So for this, what we need to do, firstly we will put everything as 0, all the denominator as 0. Like you see here, I have put all the denominator as 0 first. You see here I have put x minus 3 is equal to 0, so we get x is equal to 3. I have put x plus 2 equal to 0, so I got x is equal to minus 2. And I have also put x minus 1 equal to 0, so I got x is equal to 1. So here we got three critical points. They are x is equal to 1, they are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Now see what is the trick, how can we apply trick. So firstly we will take first critical point. Our first critical point is 1. We got as 1 as first critical point. Now substitute that critical point in this equation. See, we have substituted 2 into, instead of x you substitute that critical point, so 2 into 1 minus 1. And that critical point we got after solving this, so we will not substitute in this one. Other than this, we will substitute in all other equation. So we will substitute here we will put 1 and here we will put 1, so 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 3 we got. And in which we did not substitute in this one, so we will write this with the log. So we will get log mod of x minus 1 plus, we will repeat for the next critical point in the same way. You see, now I will repeat. We got next critical point as 3. See, now we will repeat in the same way, like 2 into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 plus 2 log and x minus 3 to the mod plus c. And what is our next critical point? Our next critical point is minus 2, and we will substitute this minus 2 again as we did for the first two critical points. So we will substitute here 2 into, instead of x we will write minus 2, then minus 1, then minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 here, and log of x plus 2. And after solving this, we will get our answer as this one, which I have put it in the square box. This question is so simple that you can solve in, for explanation it is taking time, but when you go on solving as of your own, when you become master in the trick, you would be able to solve in just 10 seconds. So for better understanding, I would take one more example. Like, see, our second example is here. Integration x square plus 4 by 3x cube plus 4x square minus 4x. So here what I told you, for the partial fraction checking, the denominator cannot be factorized, but here it can be factorized. So firstly we will convert this equation in the partial fraction, and we can convert it, and we got this one, x square plus 4 by x into x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. Now we got this as partial fraction, and now we will apply the previous trick which I told you earlier. You can apply the trick. So this is your homework. Now I told you the method, and apply the trick So this is your homework question, and comment the answer below as I have written here. The top answer would be pinned by me for the comment. So for better practice and better understanding of the question, I have got few homework questions for you. You can just find out the answers for these three questions, 1, 2, 3, and comment in the answer below, so that I will be reading all the comments, and the top comments would be pinned by me. And friends, tell your experience with me. How was the video? Whether you enjoyed the video or not, give your feedback, so that it gives me motivation to make more and more videos on different chapters which students feel afraid of them, like calculus, trigonometry, and various other chapters. So thank you for tuning till the end. Thank you. Jai Hind.